Welcome to Downward Dog Rising. It's Tracy here, and I just did a video on how to do Pike on the chair, the split pedal chair. I'm using the wood dowel connected, so it's one pedal, and then I also did a reverse Pike. And then I'm going to show you another variation of one arm Pike. So let's begin. Join me. So for one arm Pike, I'm going to give myself some more support. My springs are a little lighter because they need replacing. For one arm Pike, try 2 springs, number 3 from the bottom. I'm actually going to try it with 1 spring on 4 from the bottom, 1 spring on 3 from the bottom. You're going to press the pedal down securely. Make sure the ball of your foot is secure on the pedal so you don't lose it. It will be heavy when you initially press down, tighten core, press your pedal down. Go into your Pilates V stance. You're going to shift your weight forward as you feel your shoulder blades pull down deeper into the back. You want to feel like the sides of those oblique slings wrap, your blades connect down, your obliques wrap around you. You're zipping up into your core, your transversus abdominis horizontally wraps across. And then what I want you to try is just shift your shoulders above your wrist and your palms and just do a regular Pike. So you're going to exhale to lift up. You exhale to lift up. And I can already feel that I need more spring. So let me add 2 springs on 4. I wanted to test it. Okay, so I have 2 springs on 4. Probably if your chair has relatively new springs, you could do 2 springs on 3. Now, what you do, you engage your inner thighs, they wrap out, you pull your weight forward. Then what I want you to do, you elevate. Now, really wrap your ribs. You have to connect. This is still too hard for me. Let me see something. I'm going to really connect and wrap. This is still too hard. Exhale, exhale, exhale. And then the other side, shoulder blades down. Exhale, wrap your ribs. Exhale, exhale. And then gently come in. Whew. Haven't done that in a while, and you can tell. So you always have to do Pilates, and I've been practicing on the reformer a lot, but it just goes to show you have to do it all to keep up with everything. All right, peace everyone. Join me again for more Pilates tips. Take care. Peace. Bye.